There are many products available to choose slow cooker, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best slow cooker from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Beautiful by Drew Barrymore 6-quart Programmable Slow Cooker. If you're inexperienced in the kitchen and are trying to build up a starter collection of cookware, this slow cooker from Beautiful by Drew Barrymore is a great choice. It's one of the less expensive slow cookers we tested, but that doesn't mean it's of low quality. It comes with various presets for different foods like chicken, beef, pork, soup, and chili, so you don't have to worry about temperatures or times. It's also lightweight and has rectangular handles that are easy to hold, which makes it ideal to transport if you're headed to a dinner party or gathering. If you hate washing dishes, the lid and interior pot are dishwasher safe, which will make cleanup much easier. Number 2. Calphalon Digital Sauté Slow Cooker. Aside from its sleek and luxurious outer appearance that will be a showstopper on your counter, we love how lightweight and compact this Calphalon slow cooker is. We were able to lift it with one hand when it was empty and transport it around the kitchen with ease. The handles are comfortable to hold and feel sturdy, although they do get hot to the touch and require protective pads when being handled. Even still, we found this slow cooker ideal for carting to a potluck or dinner party. It also has a simple and straightforward control panel with the typical features of any run-of-the-mill slow cooker. We weren't exactly impressed by this, but it got the job done. The main drawback to this one is that the basin itself is pretty small. Larger pieces of meat will struggle to lay flat. Number 3. KitchenAid 6-quart Slow Cooker. Just like with stainless steel frying pans or non-stick cookware, finding something that makes cleanup as easy as possible is a game changer. If that's your main priority for your next slow cooker, you'll love this one by KitchenAid. The oval-shaped ceramic insert is so easy to clean, and caked-on foods slipped right off during testing. It's also very lightweight, which makes it easy to handle when you're washing it by hand. Aside from being lightweight, it's also incredibly compact and takes up minimal space on a counter. However, that doesn't mean you can't cook large amounts of food with it. The insert's oval shape means it can handle large cuts of meat and big batches of soup without overfilling. When you're cooking, you'll also appreciate the straightforward control panel, which is equipped with 4 settings: warm, low, medium, and high. It isn't exactly impressive, but it gets the job done with minimal fuss. Number 4. Ninja Footy PossibleCooker Pro. We were blown away by all the bells and whistles this slow cooker comes with, which is why it won our vote for serious chefs who cook more advanced recipes. It looks and feels sturdy and has 3 layers: the base, the removable vessel, and the lid and spoon rest on top. The vessel is very versatile and also serves as a Dutch oven when removed from the appliance. It also has 8 cooking functions: slow cook, sauté, steam, keep warm, sous vide, braise, bake, and proof. Aside from all of its external features, it has state-of-the-art heating technology, and the manufacturer boasts that it can cook 30% faster than an oven. Based on our testing, this claim is absolutely true. This does come in handy, but it's something you may need to get used to. Number 5. GreenPan Elite Slow Cooker. This slow cooker certainly looks high quality at first glance, which is why it won our vote for best design. It comes in a variety of chic colors that will add a nice decorative touch to your kitchen, and all of its features feel intentional. We really appreciated the silicone handles that keep you from burning your hands while transporting, and its rectangular shape makes it easy to store. The control panel has a minimalistic look, but that doesn't mean it doesn't have lots of customizable settings. You can use it to brown, sauté, and steam, and you can follow along with the internal temperature and cooking time with a sleek, lit-up display screen. Initially, we did have to thumb around a bit with the settings to get our bearings, but it was intuitive enough that we got the hang of it fairly quickly without looking at the manual. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.